Cinnamon's secret: transforming health after 50. Discover the hidden benefits of cinnamon that can transform your health after 50. This simple spice, often overlooked, holds the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant life. Stay tuned as we uncover its secrets and share how you can harness its power for well-being. Cinnamon, a spice with ancient roots, has been cherished for centuries not only for its flavor but also for its medicinal properties. Used in various cultures across the globe, it has stood the test of time as a staple in both kitchens and healing practices. For those over 50, cinnamon offers unique health benefits that are particularly significant. As the body changes with age, incorporating cinnamon into your routine can help enhance wellness, offering support where it's most needed during this stage of life. One of cinnamon's remarkable benefits is its ability to boost metabolism. This can aid in weight management, a common concern after 50. By helping the body process food more efficiently, cinnamon supports a more active lifestyle and can contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. Cinnamon also plays a crucial role in balancing blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals over 50, as it can help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and manage existing conditions. Its natural compounds work to stabilize glucose, promoting overall metabolic health. Cinnamon is a heart health ally, helping to promote cardiovascular wellness. It may reduce bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol, supporting overall heart function. Its anti-inflammatory properties can aid in reducing arterial inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease and improving overall cardiovascular health for those over 50. The anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon are beneficial in reducing inflammation throughout the body. This can be especially helpful for those experiencing chronic conditions associated with aging, such as arthritis. By minimizing inflammation, cinnamon contributes to better joint health and overall well-being, making it a valuable addition to a wellness routine. Cinnamon plays a significant role in enhancing brain function, particularly important as we age. It may improve memory and cognitive processing, offering potential protection against neurodegenerative diseases. The spice's antioxidant properties support brain health, helping to keep cognitive function sharp and focused, even as the years progress. A strong immune system is crucial for maintaining health, especially for those over 50. Cinnamon boosts immunity by its antimicrobial properties, helping to fight off infections and keep illnesses at bay. Regular consumption of cinnamon can fortify the body's natural defenses, contributing to overall health and vitality. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This helps slow down the aging process, protecting cells from damage and potentially preventing age-related diseases. By incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine, you can harness its antioxidant power to support a youthful, vibrant lifestyle. Cinnamon is celebrated for its ability to relieve joint pain, offering a natural alternative for those seeking comfort. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and stiffness, providing relief to those with arthritis or chronic joint issues. Adding cinnamon to your diet may support improved mobility and overall joint health. Beyond its savory appeal, cinnamon promotes digestion by stimulating gastrointestinal enzymes. This aids in breaking down food more efficiently, reducing bloating and discomfort. For those over 50, maintaining digestive health is crucial, and cinnamon provides a flavorful way to support a smoother digestive process naturally. Cinnamon is known to enhance mood and reduce stress, offering a natural lift to mental well-being. Its aromatic scent and active compounds can help soothe the mind, potentially reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Incorporating cinnamon into daily routines can be a simple mood booster. Oral health can benefit greatly from cinnamon's natural antibacterial properties. It helps combat bacteria that cause bad breath and gum disease, promoting a healthier mouth. Regular consumption of cinnamon, whether in food or as a rinse, can contribute to maintaining fresh breath and strong gums. Cinnamon's benefits extend to skin health, where its antioxidant properties help improve texture and clarity. By fighting free radicals, it can reduce signs of aging and enhance skin's natural glow. Incorporating cinnamon into skincare routines or diets can result in smoother, more radiant skin over time. Cinnamon has the potential to help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, making it valuable for individuals over 50. Its natural compounds can relax and dilate blood vessels, promoting smoother blood flow. This can contribute to overall cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of hypertension-related complications without relying solely on medication. The antibacterial properties of cinnamon are a natural shield against bacterial infections. By inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria, it can help protect the body from common infections. This is especially beneficial for older adults, whose immune systems may not respond as robustly as they once did. Cinnamon's benefits extend to promoting hair health by strengthening hair follicles and encouraging growth. Its circulatory boosting properties improve blood flow to the scalp, nourishing hair roots. This can lead to stronger, more resilient hair, which is particularly advantageous for those experiencing age-related thinning. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet is simple and flavorful. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or fruit, or blend it into smoothies and coffee. Its sweet, warm taste enhances both sweet and savory dishes, making it a versatile addition that can elevate your meals while providing health benefits. A warm cup of cinnamon tea can be both soothing and beneficial. To make it, steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for several minutes. This simple recipe not only offers a comforting drink but also delivers the spice's numerous health advantages in an easily digestible form. Adding cinnamon to your morning smoothie is a simple way to boost flavor and health benefits. Just a pinch can enhance the taste while providing antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. This small addition can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion, making your smoothie a powerhouse of nutrition. Cinnamon's warm and sweet essence makes it a perfect ingredient for baked goods. Whether you're preparing muffins, bread, or cookies, incorporating cinnamon can elevate both the flavor and health quotient. It adds a naturally sweet taste, allowing you to reduce added sugars while enjoying its heart-healthy benefits. For those seeking a convenient way to enjoy cinnamon's advantages, supplements offer a viable option. Available in capsule or powder form, they provide a concentrated dose of cinnamon's active compounds. This method ensures you reap the spice's benefits without altering your diet significantly, supporting wellness on the go. When consuming cinnamon, it's essential to adhere to safe dosage guidelines to maximize benefits and avoid adverse effects. Experts typically recommend 1 to 6 grams daily, but individual needs may vary. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help determine the appropriate amount, ensuring you enjoy cinnamon's health perks safely. While cinnamon is generally safe, it's crucial to be aware of potential allergies. Some individuals may experience skin irritation or gastrointestinal discomfort. It's advisable to start with small amounts and monitor your body's response. If any adverse reactions occur, discontinue use and seek medical advice to ensure safety. When incorporating cinnamon into your diet, it's important to be aware of possible interactions with medications. Cinnamon can affect blood sugar levels, which might interfere with diabetes medications. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding cinnamon supplements to your routine, especially if you're on medication. Choosing the right type of cinnamon can significantly impact its benefits. Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, is considered safer for regular use due to its lower coumarin content compared to cassia cinnamon. Understanding these differences can help you make more informed dietary choices for optimal health benefits. Ensuring the quality of cinnamon is essential for reaping its health benefits. When selecting cinnamon, look for organic options with a strong aroma and rich color. Avoid products with additives or fillers. High-quality cinnamon retains its potency and therapeutic properties, offering the best results for your wellness journey. Proper storage of cinnamon can help maintain its flavor and health properties. Store cinnamon in a cool, dark place in an airtight container to preserve its freshness. Ground cinnamon typically lasts up to 6 months, while cinnamon sticks can last up to a year when stored correctly. Cinnamon has been valued in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. In these practices, it is used for its warming properties and ability to enhance circulation. Its historical use underscores its enduring role in promoting health and well-being across diverse cultures. Many people have experienced cinnamon's transformative benefits firsthand. A woman in her 60s reported improved energy and stabilized blood sugar after adding cinnamon to her diet. Another individual found relief from joint pain, attributing the change to the spice's anti-inflammatory properties. These stories highlight cinnamon's potential health impact. Recent studies have begun to uncover the scientific basis for cinnamon's health benefits. Research indicates that its antioxidant properties can combat oxidative stress, which is crucial for aging individuals. Additionally, studies show cinnamon's potential in regulating blood sugar levels, offering hope for those managing diabetes or prediabetes. Despite its benefits, cinnamon faces various misconceptions. Some believe excessive consumption can replace medication, which is risky. Others mistakenly think all cinnamon types offer the same benefits, unaware of the differences between Ceylon and Cassia. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction for safe use. A personal encounter with cinnamon's benefits involved adding it to my morning smoothie. I noticed an improvement in my focus and energy levels throughout the day. This small dietary change demonstrated cinnamon's subtle yet effective impact, motivating me to explore other ways to incorporate it into my meals. Experimenting with cinnamon can be a delightful journey. Try sprinkling it on oatmeal, mixing it into yogurt, or incorporating it into savory dishes. Each method offers a unique flavor profile and potential health benefits, encouraging culinary creativity while enhancing wellness. Embrace the versatility of this remarkable spice in everyday life. We'd love to hear about your experiences with cinnamon. Share your stories in the comments. Whether you've felt its benefits firsthand or have family recipes that incorporate this amazing spice, your insights can inspire others. Let's create a community where we learn from each other's health journeys. After exploring the myriad benefits of cinnamon, it's clear that this spice is a powerhouse for enhancing wellness, especially for those over 50. From boosting metabolism to promoting heart health, its advantages are undeniable. Remember these key benefits as you consider adding cinnamon to your daily routine. Consider making cinnamon a staple in your wellness journey. Experiment with it in your meals, teas, or even as a supplement. Share your results and experiences with us. Your feedback could be the encouragement someone else needs to embark on their own cinnamon-inspired health journey. Thank you for joining us in unveiling the secrets of cinnamon. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more health tips and informative videos designed to enhance your lifestyle and well-being. Our community is growing, and we're excited to have you with us. Explore our other videos to continue your journey toward better health. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on new content. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant life with cinnamon. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the remarkable benefits of cinnamon. We hope you found the insights valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed this exploration, please share it with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay vibrant. Like, share, Subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.